Hi, this is a second video to help in preparation for the quiz in Trigonometry Advanced Math for Chapter 8. In this problem, we are going to identify the horizontal and vertical components of the force exerted on this crate by this tow rope traveling from this helicopter. Okay? So there's a couple things we would need to know in order to find that horizontal and vertical component of the force. The first thing we'd have to know is what is the force the rope is exerting on the crate. So I'm going to draw a vector in here, and we're going to say it's exerting 800 pounds of force. 800 pounds. The second thing I would have to know is the angle with the horizontal this rope forms. So I'm going to say that this forms a 70-degree angle. I'm now going to find the horizontal and vertical components, and to do such, I'm going to imagine that I can create a right triangle with the force vector from the rope and the horizontal and vertical components. So let me isolate that right triangle. Quick manipulation. Okay, so I'm saying the hypotenuse is 800 pounds. This angle is 70 degrees. I want to know the force in the x direction and the force in the y direction. We're going to use some simple right triangle trigonometry to find this. To find the x component, the horizontal component, I'm going to use the cosine function. The cosine of an angle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So I'll say the cosine of 70 degrees is equal to the adjacent x over the hypotenuse, 800. I can quickly find the value of x by multiplying both sides by 800 and plugging that into my calculator. 800 multiplied by the cosine of 70. That gives me 273.6 pounds horizontally. I then can go and find the vertical component, y, by using the sine function. The sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So I'll say the sine of 70 is equal to y over 800. Multiply both sides by 800 and plug it into my calculator. So I'll do 800 multiplied by the sine of 70 gives me 751.75 pounds. Okay, great, that's finished. Let's just write our results. The horizontal force the rope exerts on the crate was 273.6 pounds. The vertical force exerted on the crate was 751.75 pounds. Okay, there we go. All finished. I hope that helps. Be sure to watch the other video too.